COMFIER may have just gifted me the best massager yet. This is the only one that every single member of my family loves. I have tried so many of the big massagers, but I already put this to the test this morning, and this scalp massager is incredible. And it's not just for your scalp. You can use this everywhere. Now, to start off with, it does look a little wacky. I get that, but I also love it as it is super small and can just fit in your hand and tuck away really nicely. It has this great little stand it sits in, and then it's a USB port, so it just charges while in its stand. And it does come with a USB-C to USB-A cord, and then all the controls are in this one button on the top. You've got to press and hold to turn it on. And when it's on, it looks like crazy little massagey hands. But what's so cool about these is they're this really soft silicone that actually feels really, really good. Even on my hand, that feels amazing. And then it really is quite simple. When you press the top, it'll go faster. And if you press the top again, it'll rotate the other way. And if you press, it'll go faster on that way, and so on and so forth. So it's just gonna flip directions and start with low and high speed for every time you press the top. It does have some indicator lights here for battery, whether it's on high or low and which direction you're going. But past that, just put it wherever you want to massage, whether it's your neck or your head. You can massage your shoulders with this. You can really get in anywhere you want a really nice massage. It also says that you can massage your cat, so let me try it on my cat. It'll probably freak him out, but let's see what happens. I honestly have no idea how my cat's gonna feel about this. Hey, sweetie, I'm gonna turn this on. What do you think? What do you think? Does that feel good? He is not running away, so it must feel pretty good. I am shocked. This is the first device my cat has ever let me put on him. Oh, wow. Oh, he likes it. This is a massager that's so good that even your pet is going to love it. You can't say that about me and massagers. This is the one. This is incredible. The COMFIER Scalp Massager.